Hello, my name is Alan Hoxie. I'm an NFI certified expert with Woodland Direct, and today we're going to unbox the Modern Flames Landscape Pro Slim Series electric fireplace. The Pro Slim series comes in multiple sizes. They include a 44, a 56, a 68, an 80, and a 96 inch. Today, we will unbox the 56 inch fireplace. The first thing you want to do is check for any obvious signs of damage. If you see any, please give us a call so we can resolve it right away. Our next step will be to unbox it. Our first components that we'll find are going to be the mounting brackets. I'll set those to the side. With the mounting brackets removed, pull the fireplace out of the box. I would suggest another individual to assist you with that. So let's remove the packaging. Now that the fireplace has been unboxed, let's get access to all of the components. In order to do that, the first thing we need to do is remove this magnetic trim along the front of the glass. Next, on the 56 inch model, you'll notice 4 Phillip head screws along the top frame of the glass. You'll need to remove each of those screws as well as that piece of framing to allow the glass to open. Something to note, all the components are held in place by the glass, so do be careful when removing the glass that the components don't spill out. So let's remove the glass. The components inside include acrylic media, driftwood logs, an installation manual, and a remote control. And that is everything you need to know when unboxing your Modern Flames Landscape Pro Slim Series electric fireplace. If you'd like to know how to install this fireplace, click the link in the description below. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 800-919-1904 or look us up online at www.woodlanddirect.com. Thank you.